Hi, I'm Kelly from the Kamakaneli East Sephora store, and I am the Senior Skincare Advisor here. So this month we are featuring products to help with stressed skin. Because everybody is so stressed nowadays, work and the environment, just a lot of things are stressing us out. You lose all your hydration when you're stressed, right? So we want to make sure we're replacing the hydration with hyaluronic acid, right? And we also want to make sure that we're treating the signs of aging. And another thing that's going to show up is redness in your skin. And clogged pores. So all of these products are supposed to help with unclogging the pores, calming down the skin, fine lines and wrinkles. There's products that has a hyaluronic acid that's going to plump up the skin, replace the hydration, lock and seal in the hydration. Products out there for de-stressing the skin. Peter Thomas Roth. It prevents your hydration from leaving the skin, so this will help protect that. What's really nice about the one from you, the people, it has a mushroom that helps your skin adapt to the stresses. For dryness, we have actually a range of nice products. Drunk Elephant is a really great product. It is what we call a clean product, so there's no phthalates, sulfates, drying alcohols, things like that in your skin. But this will also help to use this at night, and this is going to help to seal in the moisture so you don't lose it when you're sleeping.
It has an interesting name.
Drunk Elephant? So
The F-bomb.
Vitamin F. Okay, because there's vitamin F in it. Yeah.
Okay. What is vitamin? I never heard of vitamin F before.
It helps with your hydration. For people who do like Korean beauty, we do also have Glow Recipe, which is a really great Korean beauty line. And so it's your banana souffle moisturizer. It smells like that. It smells like bananas.
Oh yeah, it does. It smells good.
Some people show redness. So this is a really nice one from First Aid Beauty. It actually has what we call Sika pear, or that tiger grass in it. So that's going to help. That's been known to calm stress down or calm the signs of redness in your skin. So when you get stressed, sometimes oil gets trapped in your pores. We want to make sure we're exfoliating that out. So you want to use things with glycolic acid, salicylic acid. That's going to exfoliate the pores and also get rid of the dead skin buildup. And so these are really nice. This is from our own Sephora collection, and they're little peel pads.
Oh, okay. That's easy.
Yeah, easy to use, and it's just really gonna exfoliate and get rid of dead skin, and it's gonna just give you a nice healthy glow. Safe enough to use every day.
Oh, okay.
Just once a day.
Just don't like rub it vigorously,
Yeah,
right?
you don't have to. You know, there's a lot of product on the peel pad itself, and let the pad do all the work.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.
We all want a stress-free year.
Yes, we do.